respect the light. I don't know what's going to happen here. So, or that's pretty cool. Being detected as tables, where it puts the spooky body, the body texture here. Here we go. So I have on my iPad these cursive hellos. It's kind of fun to see, like, it feels like bringing something to life a little bit. So if I just make this a black background, you can see, actually, so I think it might be this one. But yeah, you can see the shape kind of matches there. So I took it from Figma, I took the SVG into Spline, and then that's where I was able to make this 3D hello. And then from there, here we go. I took it into Procreate to do a little bit of painting on it. So Procreate allows you to, like draw on your shapes. And from there, I exported that shape into Reality Composer. The quality gets a little bit lost. So you can see, I need to figure this out, but yeah, it gets like pretty pixelated, but you can tell this is the shape from Procreate, where it's black lines on the front and then party in the back, I guess, and then the blue on the back. Reality Composer, you can do things like set physics on the objects. So then I'll hit plus or play on this, and then you can see like that starts the physics engine, and then these things fall out of the sky. So I exported this as a .reality file in Xcode, and then it took a little bit to figure out like how to load those models. I have it where I'm able to press start, and then I should be able to pinch. It will create like a faucet of these shapes. And in the model, there's like 4 of them. So 4 will come out at a time. Here's booster, but 4 should come out at a time. This should open it up. So it takes 3 seconds, and then there we go. So you can tell like these things are falling, and it's floating on an invisible plane right now. So I think it's just setting the origin there. It's a little bit, so that part I need to figure out. I want it to respect this mesh as far as, you know, like being a part of the world. The interesting thing though is, while it's not respecting these surfaces, this is pretty cool. I can still touch these. So that feels, that's where it starts to feel a little bit pretty cool, where just to think like this kind of just started as 2D shapes in Figma and then turned into 3D, and now they have some physics. I thought that was pretty interesting. Yeah. Oh wait, see, so that's where it's like kind of interesting is it's not respecting the floor, but I cannot get it. I think it does respect this wall. Let's see if it respects, like if these shapes respect the bookshelf, and yeah, I think it does. So let's see if I can get one of these to go on top of that book. So that one is oddly stuck in the ceiling. Yeah, that one's not moving anymore. So, oh no, I think it's frozen. It's frozen. Too many hellos. I've said hello a little too much. But let's see if these will respect the light. I don't know what's gonna happen here. So that's pretty cool. And this is where the wireframe effect is pretty cool. Once it is dark, and here's Booster's shape on the couch. And then the next demo, let's see if I can get this to load. All right, so you've probably read Masters of Doom, or maybe you have at least heard of it. A more recent one is Doom Guy, which I'm currently reading, and then I wanted to try something sort of Doom-inspired, very Doom-inspired, and I just pulled some textures from the Doom games, and so this should be doing each of these planes with this texture. So it's detecting different planes in the room and then replacing the floor with this floor texture. There's this spooky looking one for tables. And then a little bit dangerous to walk through here. And the cool thing is, okay, this is the hallway. So there's some a little bit of glitchiness here, but yeah, this is a hallway. And then if I walk through here, you should be able to see, ow. Yeah, a little dangerous to just be like completely immersive here. And here's more things being detected as tables where it puts the spooky body, the body texture here. And then I think this is where like, it should do a plane here and then do this cabinet corner. And then if I just like keep walking, it'll continue to map these. So if I stand here, it does start to feel like I'm in one of these like Doom stages. It doesn't do the doors super, I don't have a separate texture for doors, and I don't know if it would detect. Just walking around, I tried to like clear out the stuff on the floor. And let's see, hopefully I don't step on anything here, but this is where Doom guy, I guess he's got the barbells in here. But yeah, it's able to like map the ceiling, map the gym floor, and I just need to walk around slowly so I don't step on anything. That's that, and I could show like the shape of this room. Yeah, thanks for checking this out.